Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mindyourcrypto, back with ALCHEMY PAY ACH. Of course, I wouldn't leave you like that because I know that ALCHEMY PAY hasn't been doing quite good so far, unlike the other market, which is pumping. Over the last few days, it has been going a little bit down. Not something impressive though, okay? We have been going down, but it is not like we have lost everything or we are going to go and crash. Minus 3% yesterday, minus 1.43% the previous of yesterday. So you can see that it has been going a little bit sideways. Anyway, for ALCHEMY PAY right here, the thing is that we are forming a bullish pennant inside a longer bullish pennant formation with a nice pump over the top trend line. And this is the best part for ALCHEMY PAY. Right now, what is next? What are the next price targets? Can we go all the way up higher? The daily frame right here, you can see that if you connect the bottom trend lines, you will see a smaller bullish pennant. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm expecting of ALCHEMY PAY inside the next few days to be going all the way up, right? Okay, this is the normal price action that ALCHEMY PAY should be having. Of course, it didn't happen to pump the day that we talked about, that we might be having a possible pump. However, the case right now is that we are not bearish. Do not think that because of this action, price action, ALCHEMY PAY is totally bearish. Okay, of course we have this bottom trend line as well. Okay, this is the bottom trend line. You can see the longer bullish pennant inside the smaller one. And this is what I'm expecting from today until tomorrow to have a little bit of a pump right here. 0.1 of 42.33 could be the target. We might be going as well a lot higher. We are going to have to wait and see. In the meantime, ALCHEMY PAY right here, you can see that it has been going sideways. Let's go a little bit to the lower time frames. Lower than that, into the 1 hour frame, we have bottom tweezers, the same lows, the exact same lows, and we might as well see a little bit further pump. However, the case right now is it would be the best part to see bottom tweezers in the 4 hour frame. So if until you see the video or by the time you see the video, we have a nice bottom tweezers, the same exact lows into 2 consecutive candlesticks into the 4 hour frame, then ALCHEMY PAY is very likely to have an explosion in its price and go all the way to retest the highs of the 0.1 of 42 and so on. Okay, so we are going to go there. We are going at the top trend line, which is now sitting at the 0.1 of 42 to 43. Okay, so we are going to have a very nice pump. Do not worry about that at all. Just we need right now a bottom tweezer. But at the end of the day, I think I am very positive that we get bottom tweezers because right now we are sitting at the bottom trend line of the nice triangle right here. Now, Bill, what happens if this is not a bullish pennant and this is a neutral triangle? Then we should be waiting and see a little bit of further correction. But even if we go a little bit further down, we will find a retest of the top trend line and I think that we go up. So the result should be exactly the same, right? I do not think that ALCHEMY PAY is going to go down. I think that it is going to go upwards. Even if we have a fake out to the downside, we are going to go all the way up higher. Sorry for moving the bottom trend line. I want to just do something like this. Okay, so I'm very optimistic about ALCHEMY PAY right now as things go, and we might be having as well bottom tweezers right there. It should be the best case scenario, right? To have bottom tweezers. If we have that, then expect further pump and then expect a huge breakout for ALCHEMY PAY. Now, when are we going to see the breakout? Possibly we are getting there, right? We are getting into the squeeze point where we are going to see a good volume coming in for ALCHEMY PAY, most likely until today or tomorrow or by Monday. We are going to see after 2 days or 3 days, around there, 2 to 3 days it will take ALCHEMY PAY to have a nice huge price action. In the meantime, I see it bouncing at the bottom and top trend line. Okay, so nothing special is going to come in because ALCHEMY PAY could not manage to go all the way up higher from here. But at the end of the day, it is not bearish. I'm very optimistic that ALCHEMY PAY could be making something better right here, and it could be the case that it goes further higher from the bottom trend line. Okay, so this should be the best case scenario for ALCHEMY Pay, and also the best case scenario if you had gone long positions. If you are holding ALCHEMY Pay and you are holding your long positions, you're absolutely fine. This is what I wanted to reassure you, that do not worry because we had a small correction or because we didn't have the breakout when I made the video about a possible pump. Even today, you can see that we got rejected from the top trend line and we didn't have the breakout, but do not worry about that because the breakout is going to come in the squeeze point we have right here. And I think that we are very, very optimistic that we can see some further price action. The monthly frame of ALCHEMY Pay is looking good as well. Nothing bearish about that. The weekly frame, we would like to see it going sideways around where we are right now. Maybe a nice green candlestick would be the best case scenario for ALCHEMY Pay. But either way, into the lower time frames I go, and I am very, very optimistic. Still optimistic. If something bad happens, I will be the first to make an update and let you know. And of course, I will be the first to admit my mistake. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mindyourcrypto, the best crypto trading system out there. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.